Growing up in Boston, Brazil was this magical place to me. We would decorate our classrooms like the rainforest. Everyone knew where it was on the map. It's big. The equator. For me, it always seemed like an impossible destination. Going to Brazil in October of 2019 was a massive life fulfillment.
Hey, bro.
So, with this video, I'm sure you were expecting that it was going to be some type of wild pan-dimensional jump, maybe because I did technically end up in Brazil by traveling through my garden. What can I say? I can't help myself. But ultimately, I hope that, especially during these COVID times, we're reminded of days of yonder year, but also what awaits when we get through it. Travel, a spirit of adventure, a connection with friends. These are all things that are waiting for us. And one thing that my time in Brazil did help me appreciate was the majestic power of the outdoors. So whether that's the view from your porch or your balcony in the city, or some sick vista halfway around the world, you can still find peace and solitude and comfort in the outdoors. I'd like to thank you guys so much for coming on this Brazilian green life adventure. As you can see, the world is green. The world is green. There's birds and monos and creatures everywhere. And we're just one of those creatures, folks. So until next time on the Green Life, obrigado for watching. Stay on that journey and keep exploring. Let's go.
This is Brazil.
Wow. Turns out Brazil is pretty tight. Sick. Yeah, so that was nuts. Went to Brazil. Sick. I can't wait to see where I go to next. Keep exploring. I mean, across time, across continents. The green life. The green life is for all of us. You already know. Shout out to that interdimensional garden. Love that. Haven't done that in a long time. Shout out to everyone I saw in Brazil. Sick.